What's up, guys? This is Seko from Akama Lifestyle on here on Edikin's behalf. Edikin actually is on a flight to Miami right now. We're taking care of a very, I wouldn't say high client, but you know, he's a VIP client. Basically, what the whole situation is, our client wants a jet from Miami, from Houston to Miami, but he needs his whips as soon as he touches down in Miami. So we got him a PJ, you know, we set the deal, we got him a PJ, a round trip, a really, you know, a nice trip, a nice, well-rounded price or whatever, you feel me? Yeah, so we're gonna pick them up. There's a Cadillac Escalade right behind us, the white color, and we're in the white color. We're gonna pick them up, take them to the airport, and take their pictures and whatnot. And then as soon as they land in Miami, Edikin's already in Miami. You know, by the time this video is done, Edikin's probably gonna be in Miami already. He's gonna be in Miami with the other cars as soon as they touch down. You get the memo.
We'll cut to all the clips of us actually like picking them up and then dropping them off to the PJ. All that B-roll stuff, we'll drop that in now.
Yeah.
And we have J-Mac right behind us.
Yeah.
We'll cut to a clip of that so you'll see him. He's trailing us. Yeah, we'll keep you posted. You bumped this shit again because that was fire as fuck.
Happy clients, happy jets. Happy birthday to my boy Mo. One of my well-trusted clients. Edikin's right now, he's in Miami right now. The color is ready. About 2-hour flight, they're gonna touch down to the color. Everybody's happy.
Shit going on right now. You dig what I'm saying? About a $200,000
Yeah,
weekend
you
on everything. You dig?
Okay, quick update. We just finished the Christmas shoot. I don't know if you can see, but we put a Christmas tree on top of the 4x4. You're thinking, I know what you're thinking, that is crazy, but at Akama, we go the extra length so you guys will get the best content possible. So, you'll be seeing these pictures now. We'll drop them in. We'll keep you guys updated. So it looks like in the 4x4. I'll show you. Looks like.
He said, I'm coming in here to do some damage.
What's up? We back at the Akama shop. You know the deal. We got every whip you need. Every whip you want. We got it right here. You already know.
What's going on? I don't know, Rod Waves in the house. I lost my voice. Waiting on Edikin as usual. But just chilling, be cooling.
Okay, bet.
Shout out my boy, man. Sorry, really close. Some of y'all like that real wild shit. Y'all like that low-key slide shit. You feel me?
1v1. Oh, come on, Rod.
Get the ring,
Woo! Rod, what you thinking? You like it?
Yeah, I'm just checking out this shot.
You finna be speed racing in the city now?
Nah, man. He low key.
Give him the fuck. Let him take
Can you get a picture real quick?
Well, wait.
I got about a cousin. We'll just talk because I got sandals on. Raw Wave just popped in. Really happy. This man just comes in here. It's like his second home right now in Houston, Texas, and we really appreciate his business. Above everything, we appreciate his friendship, and you know what I mean? So, yeah, keep it rolling. You get me?
To fill you in on what's going on right now, we just got the cars back from Jake Paul. He dropped them off. Eddie was just saying, like, which car do you want to drive? So they're debating between the gray Urus, the black Urus, and the G-Wagon. So that's what we're doing. He's getting on his PJ right now, flying back out. So stay tuned for the rest. Good Logan, where you did this.
Bruh.
Holy moly. We're over here at Holly Airport. I think it's the second time we've done that today. We just dropped off Big Paul. We came back and we're picking up Kodak right now. So, yeah, just stay tuned. Crazy vlog coming, crazy content.
There's only one source. Come to this source. That's Akama.
Amen.
All these other rental companies are just small.
What's up, boss? I want to hear you say Akama lifestyle.
Akama like that.
Don't touch the lens, okay? With your greasy fingers, okay? Don't, hey. If you do it again, no more screen time. No more screen time, okay?